Blaupunkt Sound Deadening Soundproof SD1.0S helps to reduce interior and external noise interference. It's made of 2.1 mm black butyl rubber in diamond-shaped aluminium foil. The foil basically reduces the sound waves by converting the sound energy to heat before bouncing it back into the room. Instead of buying a big roll or huge box of soundproof material, our sound deadening soundproof SD1.0S available in individual packing, with 600 by 1000 mm dimension. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.